In this video, you are going to see how to translate a document or a particular text in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Suppose I want to translate this particular area. Select it, go to Review, go to Translate and click on Translate Selection. And here from English is auto detected and I want to translate into it Arabic, or you can select your desired language from here. Let me click on Danish and it will be translated into Danish. If I want to translate the whole document, just go to Review, go to Translate and click on Translate Document. Here I have select auto detect and 2. Let me choose your desired language. Let me choose the French and click on Translate. And here you will see the text has been translated into French. Here I have two documents, this one the original one and here this is the translated one. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.